Hi, it's Mike from CustomCruisers.com. You can see here, beautiful Road King bike, 2019. This is one of your Milwaukee 8s, and here's our light bar, quick release light bar. Okay, as you can see, fits on the quick release system, same as the screen, so you can wang this off. Flat back spots allow for removing the windshield as well. LED bulbs in them. Okay, way cheaper than the Harley version. This particular one, I've done all the wiring up through the headlight. You can see the video on how to do it, and as you can see, looks quite neat. You could actually drill this and have it done like that as well, but I think it looks pretty cool on this particular black bike. If you're interested, give us a call at 1773-835-666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com for all your Milwaukee 8 parts. We do your fat spokes, you know, your big ass wheels, your 21s. You can get an 18 rear for a Road King as well. Your 21, 23s, whatever you like. So customcruisers.com if you're interested in any great parts for your motorcycle. Thank you.